Now on Setanta Sports, a special Christmas message from the Special One.
I wish to talk to you today about Christmas. Christmas is a very special time of year and reminds me of my childhood, which was very difficult. I born not in big house or fantastic hospital. I born in stable, and my mother had to travel far to the stable, but we had no nice car, no motorcycle, no helicopter. She had to travel by donkey. It was fantastic donkey called Drogba. But it took many hours to get to stable because Drogba kept falling on the ground for no apparent reason. But we arrive in stable. I born, and my father, he had similar name to me. He was called Joseph. Immediately put me in swaddle cloth. I think maybe this was my first overcoat. And later, 3 men arrive unexpectedly in stable. I think these men were very wise because they look at me in awe and point at me and say, "Yes, truly, he is the special one." Be champions.